Using the ellipse tool, create a circle. Change the fill color. Center the anchor point with the anchor point tool. Align it to the center of the composition. Rename it Circle 1. Bring up the scale with the S key. Change the scale to 0. Press the stopwatch. Move over on the timeline. Scale it up until it covers the screen. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease. Head into the speed graph. Drag this handle to the left. Duplicate the layer. Bring up the scale. Move the keyframes over on the timeline. Change the fill color. Duplicate the layer again. Bring up the scale keyframes. Move the keyframes over on the timeline. Change the fill color. Duplicate one more time. Move the scale keyframes over on the timeline. Rename the layer Matte. Drop in your second scene into the composition. Use the track matte pick whip. Connect it to the matte layer. Subscribe for more tutorials.